quick video on how to change out the reel for your edger. Specifically, I have one of these Black & Decker weed eaters, and it's a very simple thing, no tools required. I'll show you how to do it real quick. So the first thing you'll want to know is on the cap here for where the reel goes, you'll see that it only uses 0.065 line. So that's just important because there's a lot of different thicknesses out there and you want to use the right one that will actually fit through that hole. Anyway, so to get this off, you'll see a little button here, and if you flip it 180 degrees, one on the other side, so you depress those two in. And there you go, out comes the old reel. So now we can put in the new reel, and you can see on it, it shows you the direction of spin. This spins this way, so we just want to ensure that it goes on like that. So first we'll take off the tape.
Strands that hold the line in place. And then
we'll find, right there, you can see they have a little bit of it sticking out, so you just pull that out. Alright, so with this, what I like to do first is to thread the line through that hole first, and then with the rest of the spool, put it on through like that, and then pull this out a little bit, make sure that all of the line is around that, and then just like that, it's in. And now you can put the new, or you put your cap back on. And again, just make sure that those tabs line up and then they should click, and you're good to go. That's how you replace the line in your weed eater. I'll put the link down in the description box to the line that I use specifically for this edger. It's a lot cheaper to buy it off Amazon than it is to go to your local hardware store, but obviously if you need it sooner, it's easier to go there. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me and to know that you like this kind of content. And check out my other videos if you're interested in home repair, home maintenance, as well as automotive care. And I'll see you on the next video.